The new year is just around the corner, and what better way to start 2025 than by setting clear financial goals? Whether you want to save more money, pay off debt, or invest for your future, setting goals is the first step. But how do you make sure you actually stick to your plan? In today's video, we will walk you through how to set financial goals for 2025 and create a plan that you can stick to. Let's get started. Step 1. Make your goals specific and realistic. The first thing you need to do is make your goals specific and realistic. Instead of saying, "I want to save money," try something more concrete, like, "I want to save $3,000 by June for an emergency fund." Specific goals are easier to track and measure. Also, make sure your goals are achievable. Set a goal that challenges you, but is still within reach based on your current financial situation. Setting unrealistic goals can set you up for frustration. Step 2. Break down your goals into smaller steps. Once you have your specific goal, break it down into smaller, manageable steps. For example, if your goal is to save $3,000 by June, figure out how much you need to save each month. In this case, saving $500 each month will help you reach your goal. By breaking big goals into smaller steps, they will feel more achievable, and you will stay motivated as you hit each milestone. Step 3. Track your progress regularly. It is important to track your progress so that you can see how far you have come. Set a reminder to check in on your goals once a week or once a month. There are many apps and tools available to help you track your spending, savings, and debt. Tracking your progress not only helps you stay on track, but also gives you a sense of accomplishment as you move closer to your goal. Step 4. Make adjustments when needed. Life happens, and sometimes you may need to adjust your goals or your plan. Maybe you get an unexpected expense, or you realize that your original goal was too ambitious. That is okay. The important thing is not to give up completely. If you fall behind, figure out why and make changes to get back on track. Adjusting your plan does not mean you failed. It means you are staying flexible and realistic about your finances. Step 5. Build a support system. One of the best ways to stay committed to your financial goals is to surround yourself with people who support you. This can be a partner, a friend, or even a financial advisor. Share your goals with someone who will check in with you, encourage you, and help hold you accountable. Having someone to share the journey with can make sticking to your goals much easier. Step 6. Reward yourself for reaching milestones. Staying motivated is key to reaching your financial goals. As you achieve smaller steps or milestones, take time to reward yourself. These rewards don't have to be big or expensive. It could be as simple as treating yourself to a nice meal or enjoying a weekend getaway. Rewarding yourself helps keep your motivation high and reminds you that hard work pays off. Setting financial goals for 2025 does not have to be overwhelming. By making your goals specific, breaking them down into manageable steps, tracking your progress, staying flexible, building a support system, and rewarding yourself along the way, you can create a plan that you will actually stick to. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips on financial planning and goal setting. And do not forget to hit the notification bell so you can stay updated on our latest videos. Here's to a successful 2025 and achieving all of your financial goals.